Okay, hello, I am one. This is the first of many videos that you're going to watch from me. Low tech, not high production quality, just me talking to my iPad. But the purpose of these is to either teach you something or show you how your homework or practice work should have been done so that you can review it on your own time. I highly recommend that you pause it when you need to, you rewind it. And then, of course, you can always ask me more questions, but this is just so that I can explain things to you in a way that you can hopefully understand in a little bit easier format than trying to teach you all over Zoom, because it's hard to hear the Zoom sometimes, and sometimes things get broken up. So here is and then what you'll do is you'll fix your mistakes. So if you did everything right with your Jamboard, then just resubmit it. If you made some mistakes, fix it and then resubmit it. So hopefully everyone's going to be submitting their work that's completely correct, because now you have no excuses to be incorrect now that you're seeing the way it's done correctly. Having said that, every now and then I do make a mistake. So if I make a mistake, I'll be embarrassed, but that's the way it works. Sometimes I make mistakes, sometimes you make mistakes, and we just say, oh, thanks for catching that, and move on. So here we have an equation. The variable x is on both sides of the equation, so we want to get it so that the variable is on one side of the equation. I think the best way to do that first is to simplify each side of the equation as much as possible. And I'm also going to just demonstrate the way I would like you to show your work. Some of you like to do things in your head, skip steps. I'll try and get you in the habit of showing your work. So the first thing I would do here is, on the left-hand side of the equation, is combine like terms, 3x minus x. So that's going to be 2x. So 1 plus 2x equals. And here we have like terms, x plus 2x. So that's going to be 3x minus 4. Okay, now I like to keep my variable positive, so we have a 2x on one side of the equation and a 3x on the other side of the equation, and my choice would be to subtract 2x from both sides. That way I'm going to be left with a positive x over here, and then the last step would be to add 4 to both sides. So we have 5 equals x, or it's always better to write it from left to right. So I got x equals 5. I hope that you agree with me. If you think that's correct, make sure you fix your mistakes on your jam, resubmit your jam, and then you'll be done. And that's generally going to be our procedure. I'll either show you the solutions to the yesterday's work on paper, and so you can see the answers and figure out how to get those answers, or sometimes I will do a video demonstrating how to get the answers, or sometimes both. So I hope this is helpful, and I'd love feedback on if I can make it more helpful.